so this is going to be a really basic showing of Google Translate. So I can switch the language that it's in to what it's going to be. Say I just want to write it. I can write it. And it will translate it for me. Say I want to have a conversation. I can click that. Say I want to say something into it just because I want it to be quick. I don't want to write it. I can speak into it and say what I want to say. And it will translate for me. What I think is even more useful is the camera application. So I can aim my camera at this, and it will translate for me right there. Or say I want to translate this document. I can take a screenshot, have it saved to my camera, and then when I go over here, I can go import, and it will translate everything I select. And that's just the basics of Google Translate.